you work in AWS or other stuff and you want to look at it, and I'm primarily AWS because I like Cloud Academy's product. I've used it. We get to play around it. Let's bring on Courtney and Rachel. Courtney and Rachel, come on, join us.
Yeah, hey, how you doing? Thanks, John. Appreciate that. My name is Courtney Wilson. I'm a VP of Global Marketing at Cloud Academy. So really excited to join you guys. Rachel's here with me as well. She heads up our people team and is all things human resources. She's gonna share a little bit about some openings, and I was just gonna start off with just a quick kind of rundown of who we are and kind of frame that up a little bit for everybody as well. It's great to see everybody here, and we appreciate being invited, and especially our friend Spot, who we do quite a bit of co-marketing with in terms of webinars and some other stuff. They kind of gave us the heads up on this, so we appreciate the help on that. But I think kind of building a little bit off of what Austin was saying in terms of some certifications and things like that is, one of the biggest challenges in, just the tech world in general right now is just this kind of constantly growing skills gap that exists. And it's, the more that the technology advances and the more changes that are made on, across a variety of platforms, the harder it is for people and organizations to keep up and kind of close that skills gap. So Cloud Academy is really committed to solving that problem, and we're trying to solve that for both individuals and practitioners, as well as for larger organizations and teams, so that they can continue to accelerate their cloud adoption. So Cloud Academy provides a really comprehensive learning environment for really for tech skills writ large, but we do focus a lot on AWS in particular. The platform itself combines things like skills assessments, a training library with over 10,000 hours of content, mostly in video, and then we also have an entire labs environment where we've got various types of labs, whether it's kind of things that are a little bit more hands-on. We have things like lab challenges, which are essentially ways that you can really test your skills and build things in an actual environment. So it creates this really comprehensive learning environment for everybody. So whether you're an individual again or a team. So at the enterprise level, what those teams are kind of trusting us to do is really help them assess and then upskill their team. So we work with teams that have thousands of people on them, and they're constantly trying to figure out kind of who's got what skills and how they can kind of close those skill gaps, and how do they promote people and how do they hire people as well. So Cloud Academy's platform is really built to help those teams do that in a very scalable way. And we are also an AWS Advanced Partner. So, we have learning paths that are there for all of the AWS certifications. And we know that those certifications do lead to higher salaries, make people more marketable in the marketplace. So, we're excited to offer that. We've got a range of other technologies, but AWS is the one where we have the most comprehensive training on for sure. So, and we're growing. I think being at this intersection of e-learning and cloud computing at this at this particular time is we feel like we're in a good place. We're able to deliver a lot of value. We've got thousands of people that are coming onto the platform and either kind of reskilling or upskilling for the future, or teams that are continuing to have that cloud adoption and drive digital transformation. So there's a lot going on. It's an exciting time. I'll turn it over to Rachel. She's going to talk a little bit about the culture and some of the openings that we have as well. So,
thanks Courtney. I'm Rachel. I'm the Director of People at Cloud Academy. I've been with the company about 3.5 years. I used to work in our office in Switzerland. Now I work remotely from my home in the US. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what it's like working at Cloud Academy and some of the positions we have open right now. So I tell candidates every day, my favorite things about Cloud Academy are our people and our product. We have an amazing product. We have fabulous people, great company culture, work environment, really good benefits. We have about 85 people at the company, and we'll be growing to 100 this year. So we, like the other companies before us on this call, we are still hiring. We are still growing. we have two types of hires. One is in our office in Switzerland. So we have an office in Mendrisio, Switzerland, which is in the Italian-speaking part of Switzerland, just over the border from beautiful Lake Como, Italy. And in that office is our entire engineering team and our product team. So all of our engineering and product positions are based in the Swiss office. And then the rest of our positions are remote. So we have positions on the sales team. We have positions on the customer success team. Those are all remote from anywhere in the US. And then the positions I'm going to focus on right now for the purposes of this call, because I think a lot of the people that are listening right now are probably very cloud obsessed. Those are the positions on our content team. So if you were to go to the Cloud Academy platform, you would see, like Courtney said, tons and tons and tons of content on our site. Courses, quizzes, assessments, learning paths, hands-on labs, assistance with prepping for certification exams. All of that content is created by our fabulous content team. These are the experts in the cloud technologies who've decided that what they would like to do full-time is create content and help other people learn the cloud technologies. So we look for people who have a lot of experience and knowledge in any of the major cloud technologies and really want to help others and create content, build our hands-on labs, help with the assessments and things like that. So we have a DevOps team, we have an AWS team, we have a production team, and we have some other teams as well. We have a labs team. And those positions are remote from anywhere in the world. So we've got openings right now on almost all of the teams. We're always looking to hire great content creators. And you can go to our site. You can see our current openings. You can also email jobs@cloudacademy.com. And for those of you who are still looking to increase your knowledge in the cloud technologies, but don't have a subscription to our platform, next week, we're offering an entire free week on our platform. So you can have access to our entire platform, all of our courses and everything for an entire week. If you're interested in that and you can spread the word throughout your communities, it doesn't have to just be for people on this call. You can email jobs@cloudacademy.com. You can also like us on LinkedIn, any of our social media, go to our website, and we can get you hooked up for that that free week next week to help you as you're continuing to progress in your career in the cloud technologies.
So Rachel, that was awesome. Thank you for also letting them know about some of the free stuff that is going to be available and training it. The Cloud Labs developer and content creator. Those are actually interesting positions, being that, you know, I love hands-on. I love developing some things for people. I am, I guess, a natural instructor. I like doing it. I've worked for others doing that. So I really like your product. I really appreciate you jumping in here, listing all the positions, or at least there. Keep in mind, people, that positions change frequently. So something today might not be there tomorrow, but there also might be a lot more tomorrow as well. So, you know, just keep checking on it. Do what you said. Email, drop your resume, say, hey, listen, you know, I'm looking for the following positions. Give a little bit of feedback. Just don't drop a resume, and hopefully somebody will get back, because they want to know what you're interested in, what you're looking to do. I like it that everybody's called out if it's remote or not, or available during this time. Remote is key. And nobody's really kind of being forced to go in the office. So, Courtney, Rachel, do you have anything else to add before I wrap it up?
No, I think we're good.
No.
All right, awesome.